Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you are in for a treat because we're gonna be making something so delicious, a Guatemalan oxtail stew. You guys are in for a treat. With this recipe, we're going to be using it in sandwiches. The shredded beef in this sauce is full of unique ingredients and it will blow your taste buds away. So let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off with this big piece of beef chuck roast and we're putting it in this pot of water with a few of our oxtails, and we're gonna be adding our spices. We have some exotic spices here. We're gonna be using peppercorns, we have cloves, cumin, and salt, and you wanna cover this and let it boil for about an hour until the meat is gonna be shreddable. While that's cooking, we're going to be starting our sauce for the beef. By roasting the vegetables, it's going to really enhance the flavors and bring out all the different ingredients in a bold way. After they're all roasted, they're going to get blended all together with the fresh cilantro. And that's it, your sauce is ready. Next, we're going to be simmering the sauce with a little oil to bring out another level of flavor. We're adding a few more spices. We have thyme, cumin, bay leaf, and some bouillon, pepper, along with Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, and mustard. This is going to be an incredible sauce. After about an hour, you can check your meat and see if it's shreddable. If you're able to break it apart with your fork, it's ready to go. So we're gonna add all this shredded beef along with the oxtails to the sauce, and we're using some of the broth water to thin the sauce a bit so it's not so concentrated. We're gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes just to let all the flavors incorporate. Ooh, look at all those spices and flavors mingling together in that pot. I really do have to give a shout out to my girl Cheryl for being a part of cooking this recipe today. We had so much fun. And there you have it, guys. That's it. Your Guatemalan oxtail stew is done. I served it in a sandwich here with pickled cabbage and guacamole, but would also be wonderful in a simple bed of rice with homemade tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and as usual, all the ingredients are listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting and delicious recipes. Bye guys.